Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Return to Castle Wolfenstein in 1920 by 1080. First, you will need to download a community-made high-resolution patch. This patch is essential for enabling modern display options. Once downloaded, extract all the files directly into your main Return to Castle Wolfenstein game folder. Make sure to allow the new files to overwrite any existing ones. This initial step lays the groundwork for a crisp, high-definition experience. Next, we will adjust the game's configuration file. Navigate to your game's main folder and find wolfconfig. CFG. Open this file with a basic text editor. You will need to locate specific lines, R mode, R custom width, and R custom height. Change R mode to -1. Then, set R custom width to 1920 and R custom height to 1080. Save the file after making these crucial changes. Now it is time to launch the game and see your changes in action. Start Return to Castle Wolfenstein as you normally would. Once in the main menu, navigate to the display or video options. You should now see your desired resolution of 1920 by 1080 listed and active. If the resolution is not correct, simply exit the game and carefully review your wolfconfig. CFG file for any small errors. To truly elevate your experience, consider further visual enhancements. Many dedicated fans have created high-quality texture packs that replace older assets with sharper versions. Additionally, some community renderers can introduce improved lighting, shadows, and other modern graphical effects. These optional steps are not necessary for the resolution change, but they can make your classic game look even more impressive. Enjoy Return to Castle Wolfenstein with a stunning, updated visual presentation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.